Hello everybody, thank you for coming to the NINJAof1 YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. I have here a 1952 Whizzer Sportsman. It used to be my father's. And unfortunately he passed away and I inherited it a few years back. And I keep it in my house and I take care of it. So we're really thinking about going to start this thing back up again here. So working with a couple guys at the shop, and we'll try to set something up, but I'd like to get this thing running again. It ran when my father passed away. It was running then. That was about 13 years ago. So we're going to clean her up today. Something a little different, but nothing strange to you guys. You can see she's a bit dusty. You got some cobwebs there, so I'm going to clean her up, and we'll go ahead and put this on time lapse, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So stand by.
Reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white houses, where every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
So I got her tucked in where she normally stays in our bedroom here. But yeah, she's pretty clean right now. I didn't see anything leaking or anything like that, so it's in pretty good shape. I keep WD-40 in the fuel tank. You know, a little bit, squirted a little bit here and there. But for the most part, yeah, it's just a matter of getting her started up again. And that's what she looks like. All right, thanks for joining us. Oh wait, I got one last thing I'm going to show you here. All right, here's the water. Ooh, that was dirty. Here's the rag. You can see it's a little dirty. Not too bad. All right, hope you enjoyed it.